Make sure to stay till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those in your guys, trying to find the fuse for the rear right turn signal, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, common mistakes people make, and what can you often need to do when after you replace the turn signal fuse that can actually still cause your Dodge Challenger turn signal not to work. All that will be covered today. So most people, what they will do, this specifically it's a 2018 Dodge Challenger, they will open the hood and there is a fuse box right here. You can see next to the engine bay, that's a fuse box. You will open that fuse box and they will try to look for that fuse there. It's not there, guys, it's actually a different place. So if we come towards the back, car was in a little bit of a fender bender here, we'll be fixing it soon, not too bad, very low mileage. Really good car. So we'll open here, and if your rear right turn signal, guys, does not work, let me show you how we fix it. Under the trunk cover right here, you can see you will have your spare tire, car battery, and this is the fuse box. We're going to go ahead, open the fuse box like that. Okay, now common mistakes people make. I would recommend to always test fuses and relays. Fuses you cannot always clearly see if they're burned. Sometimes they seem perfectly fine, you put them back in and you will end up spending time and money on a problem you don't have practically, guys. So always test them. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses. Very simple way. Also relays, it will teach you how to test relays and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So the fuse for the rear right turn signal now, if you come right here and you can see right here, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fuse right here, guys, is the one responsible for multiple lights, and one of them is the rear turn signal. So we go ahead, grab it and pull it out. Now, let me tell you about common mistake. Sometimes on important fuses you need to disconnect the car battery. If you don't do it the right way, you do not disconnect the right terminal first, there is a chance to burn electronics and modules that can cost you thousands of dollars. So check out a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Okay, we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. If you replace the fuse and you still have problems, what else can be causing that? Okay, let's explain that now. We're going to come right here, come towards the phone, and in some cases you may need to reset the body control module. How? By using a computer like the Maxicom MK808. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's amazing too. That can pay itself off practically in one-time use, guys. So you can access every computer system, and some modern cars like that BMW may have even over 50 computing systems, 50 different modules and computers. So tool like that nowadays is a must. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.